I will be showing you how to replace the driver's side sun visor of a Acura TSX. A common problem for older TSXs is that the driver's side sun visor does not retract into its normal position. So we're going to start by unscrewing the two screws at the top. I'm actually holding the camera in one hand and unscrewing with my other hand, and that is why it's taking longer than it should. Okay, now that we got the screws out, we can go ahead and just yank it out. There will be a connector inside that you have to unplug. That's the power source for the lights in the vanity mirror. Be careful not to break this. So here I have the old one, and right below it the new one, or a new used one that I got from eBay. All plugged in and ready to go back in. Gonna get the screws back on and we should be set. Time to test it, and yeah, back to normal. It was really annoying. It was constantly poking me in the forehead, the old one that is. Thank you for watching.